What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about Burn by Capsiplex. So these are a workout supplement. It has InSoSlim caffeine in it and 90 capsules. So this is a supplement that you take 30 minutes before you're going to do a workout. You take 3 capsules. On non-workout days, you take 3 capsules before breakfast, and then on workout days, you take it within 30 minutes of working out. Some of the ingredients are vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, iodine, green tea, black pepper, green coffee bean extract, which I've never tried supplements like this with caffeine in it. I know some workout supplements have caffeine in them, but this is so different to me. So I'm really excited to take these and see if they're, say, more effective when I work out, if I have more energy. You do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't work for you for some reason, you send it back, you get your money back, so there's no harm trying it. And again, all natural ingredients. But I'm just super interested because workout supplements don't always work, so I'm interested, like, will I have more energy? It's gonna help, like, with your muscles and everything like that. So I'll link it down below and you guys can try it out for yourself.